Okay, hello to Taptools. My name is Josh Kuski. I am now a developer on Cardano. Pretty recently, just quit my job, and I do this now. And I'm getting into this more and more, and I'm super excited to be part of this hackathon. First one for me. So here we are. I'm the Macro Man on Twitter. I made this with Nolan, who is Mr. Ballin on Twitter. And we did this over the past month, so just want to show you what we've came up with here. So I created these two up here. The one is not complete. It's not complete. And then there's the wallet tracker that Nolan built as well. So we'll get into the Beam transaction. So this is a 3D model that uses the Taptools API and BlockFrost to get the token image of all the tokens. And it models it in the pattern of a Cardano token, right? Like the symbol. And then we can actually increase how many rings, so we can add more tokens. And initially it sorts by market cap, so it takes the top market cap tokens and it puts them in this array, and they kind of rotate. And then what it does is it takes the trading data, and there's a little timeline bar down here that you can adjust. So you just pull it, and then it'll start pulling the data from that point. And you can see with all the labeling, you can see how much, and the thickness of the beam is how much the trade is, right? So the bigger ones are larger trades. And if they're buys, they're going from ADA into a token. If they're sells, they're going from a token into ADA. And then there's also add liquidity, remove liquidity, and I think I have a zap in there as well. So it's just a real life, like a real 3D visualization of what's happening on chain. So actually here let's do all, and then at the top I have a speed slider here, and the speed slider increases or decreases the speed of the trades coming in, so the model just gets faster and just gets crazy basically. But yeah, when we have all here, I think it's about 7 rings that it creates, and we got a nice starry background, and then then the trades just start coming in, and we can actually hide the labels on the, there we go. So then we can speed this bad boy up, put her on 5, there we go. So you can kind of just see what's going on, you know. That was the whole intention, was just to see a visual of all this trading data, because it's so hard to like it's just, there's just so much data. How do we actually express it, and how do we actually get value from it? So I built this in an attempt. I'm not sure how useful it is yet for a trader, but I think because we can actually put it onto live mode here too. So if I rip it over to the side, it should start flowing in with live data, about 5 minutes old, and then catch up. I'll slow this down, slow this guy down. But we will have live data, so then you can kind of just sit this as your background, and if you see a lot of trading activity happening on a specific token, maybe that's a signal, maybe that's something to pay attention to, yada yada. But yeah, so this is what I built. I called it Beam as one of the tokens under Soonami, and this is it. You can rotate it, you can shift it. I just think it's really fun to watch, and it just looks kind of nice. So I think this is the direction I'm going to go forward, building just more and more visual things, especially with the API, like the Taptools API. So anyway, thank you guys very much, and my video is done.
Hello, my name is Nolan. I go by Mr. Ballin on Twitter and in Discord. Josh had talked to you about the Cardano Beam transaction viewer, the more visual application that he had built, and I had worked on the wallet tracking application is what I had worked on. when you open up the wallet tracking, it shows you with a very clean UI a large array of tokens that are on the Cardano ecosystem. In this section, you can search a token by typing in the ticker name, or you can sort it by going through the all section here, and you can choose if you want meme coins, stable coins, gaming tokens, or NFTs. Then when you decide that you want to choose a token that you want to look for the top holders of, you'll click on said token, and you'll see an array of the largest 20 wallets that hold that token. Currently, the percentage is not working correctly, but it is a work in progress. And then if we went on to choose a wallet, like we'll say here, number 18, we'll click on this wallet, and it will take us to a profile viewing page. On this page, you can view all of the transactions that this wallet has done. It auto displays the chosen token, but you can change it. So, for example, if we change it to all tokens, we can change it to all tokens, and we can see that this particular wallet has made trades with Fluid and CGI and Viper. They're making some buys and some sells. You can see the amount of tokens that they're selling each time. It's a very handy tool for a trader that wants to be able to see what are the whales doing, what are they accumulating, what are they selling, where are they delegating their assets and their funds. You can also view in the profile or portfolio trend, you can see the progression of that wallet, and you can see how profitable they are over a timeline. You can see, do they make money with these trades? Do they lose money? So it's a very helpful tool for a trader to be able to look at those large wallets. You can follow that whale activity. You can see where the money is going and what a profitable trader is doing. We also have the capability of, if we're in the transaction section here, you can choose time frame, and you can choose an action. Like if you want it to be a zap, we can look and see this particular wallet only had done one zap action in the last 30 days. If we change it to all time, still only one. But if we go to add liquidity, looks like they haven't added liquidity at all. Sell, and so on. You can see it will display all the tokens that you're chosen. You can choose different tokens in here if you wish. You can choose Fluid tokens, or you could choose SNEC tokens, etc. And we do also have a holdings category as well, where you will be able to see the holdings and tokens that the user has. So in here we can see that this wallet holds SNEC. They hold this much SNEC, which has an ADA value. Quite a bit by the looks of it. But it's a very helpful tool too. You can see how much tokens are they holding, what are they offloading, what are they doing with these tokens, right? We are working on building the total bought, total sold, and this will eventually be a profit loss section here where the user can see their profit of these tokens. Are they making lots of trades? Are they an active trader, or are they more just of a holder? So there's lots of neat features that a user can use for this. If we go to all tokens, all time, and we click apply filters, you'll see there's quite a few trades on here. There are pages you can go through. It will display 100 transactions per page, and then after that you'll have to cycle through the pages. But that is the wallet tracking portion of the application that I had built and worked on. Thank you.